between you and Andres? Kasi yung fandom nyo parang rabid fans, yung makaka-apekto ba yun sa friendship nyo ni Andres? Or sa healthy competition?
Ako po, hindi eh. Parang pagbalik po namin na magtitaping namin ng Mutya, parang na-miss pa nga po namin yung isa't isa eh. Talaga doon sa workshop po, may workshop po kasi kami kay Miss Ana Fileo. Napag-usapan po namin yan kung nagbabasa-basa ba ako, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi simula po nung nagsisimula pa lang kami ng Mutya na Section E, sinasabi sa akin ni Andres, parang sinasabi ko po sa inyo lahat na parang kuya ko talaga yan. Kasi tinuturo talaga sa akin na huwag ka magbabasa ng mga comments masyado, ganyan-ganyan, para di ka naapektuhan. Kaya nung nung sa workshop namin, napag-usapan po namin yan, na meron talagang times na may nababasa ako mga comments, tapos minsan nalulungkot po ako. Tapos parang niremind po niya ako dun sa workshop na yun na okay, game na ulit tayo, mag-shoot na ulit tayo, huwag kang magbabasa-basa ng mga comments masyado para di ka na-apektuhan. Yun po, okay po.
What did you say, Andres?
Ayun nga, sa tingin ko din, like, when we come to work talaga, we're all friends really, and that's what was the beauty of ang Mutya ng Section E talaga, was the bond with everyone in the cast, and I think that's what brought the magic really, and kahit naman nag-aaway sila minsan, it's important to try not to look into it too much talaga, because at the end of the day, we're all friends really, and we enjoy each other's company, so parang really at the end of the day, I don't see that there's a rivalry, honestly. I see that they're just very supportive and they just want the best for us, and ayun.
Yung fans, being fans, mga supporters. And for the rest of the cast, kasi yung title, Dark Side. So how do you handle your dark side in real life?
Rafa, you wanna start?